Folks, we are back in this brand new build here in Eisenhower Park, listed at just over $1.4 million. Let's do a walkthrough and show you all of the updates that has happened since the last time we've been here. We have doors, we have kitchen cabinets, we have tile. We don't have toilets, but there is a door up in the office, finally. Kitchen, and you can see the layout. This is a massive island in the middle, beautiful cabinets, nice and clean. This is where the range will go and a little fan. The sink will be on the island and the dishwasher right next to it. A little slot for the fridge. Laundry room cabinets are also installed, which is awesome. Super practical, lots of storage here. This gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous marble. I'm so obsessed with this. And if you are interested in this property, guess what? It's currently pending. But we can definitely get you inside something very similar to this in the Denver metro area. Shoot me an email, info@brokerguyan.com. It'll be in the description below, and let's get chatting. And that is it for me, folks. I'm gonna bippity boppity boo out of here. My name is Broker Guyan, and I will see you all next week.